So what's up, everybody? This is JT at Rubber City Motoring. Coming at you from Meguiar's here. Meguiar's is always sending out stuff to demo, and I've used a lot of it before, but I wanted to do a little face-off today. This one on the right here is a leather detailer. It does a cleaning, a restoration, and a protectant. And then I have more of the traditional stuff I've used before, their gold class. There's a cleaner there in the middle, and then a conditioner on the left. So what I'm going to do is driver's seat with the more yellow detailer. That's their ultimate lineup. 3 steps in one. Then I'm going to do the passenger seat over here with the classic gold class items here. So a little before and after to start. My driver's seat, I think, has a little more obvious wear, but probably a little, I don't know, I don't want to say more dried out, but it definitely has me sliding in and out of it more. It's got the micro suede, or whatever they call this stuff in the middle here, the grip suede. This portion here on these Trailblazers just always goes. My bolster there isn't horrible. And then the driver or passenger seat over here is, you know, less wear, but equally is dried out. So kind of that's our before. What I'm going to do here is run through with a Meguiar's microfiber towel on each seat here, and I'll kind of compare. If there is a difference at the end, we'll see if it's noticeable. So here we go. Now over here on the passenger side, like I said, it's much nicer leather, not as worn, obviously, but this one's more of a 2-step now. Use the cleaner here, and then use the conditioner after that. So a little more in-depth, letting the driver's side over there dry or soak in, and then I'll let this one sit a roughly an equal amount of time, and then we'll see what they look like here. So my best way to say this passenger seat now looks is almost factory. You know, when you get a new car, it's not necessarily like coated in Armor All and leather conditioner and stuff. It's kind of just more of a matte, and that's sort of what this looks like. And I even went as far as doing the center console armrest there. So now I'm going to move on to the conditioner right here. And I'm going to get another, so a third microfiber towel. My suede on this side has taken a beating. There was some staining on it when I got it. I do have a cleaner. It's kind of worked, but not necessarily, but definitely should run that again on here. So I'm going to condition this leather now, which you can actually see almost looks dried out. So let's get the conditioner going. So once again, driver's side, use the ultimate leather detailer. It's a 3-in-1, 1-step. Little shine to it. You know, I'd say these seats haven't been treated in a year at least, and I don't drive this thing a ton, but it definitely needed. I mean, it absorbed them like crazy. Now, a good spot to compare. That's the 2-step over there in the armrest, and then here's the 1-step on that bolster there. Pretty nice stuff for 1-step. It's better than nothing, but I'm still gonna say your best bet is a big 2-step on the other side over here. Let me show you what I mean. Now over here we have the gold class cleaner, conditioner, 2-step process. I will say it's, you know, that cleaner, like I showed you, it really almost like gets it down to takes everything off of there, and then you throw in that jelly looking conditioner on there. Pretty nice stuff overall. My suede definitely needs some work for sure. Now I'm gonna throw in a bonus product here at the end. Now I'm not sure about you, but me, I've got kids in the back. You can see my 2 car seats back there. Don't really have time to condition the leather as much as I'd like. Meguiar's has some wipes, which are amazing. You could keep them in a back you know, mat pocket or somewhere like that, and you can just pull them out and use them real fast, which I'm showing here on the steering wheel. Nice and easy to use, quick. It does, these are another 3-in-1, cleaner, conditioner, and protectant, but super cool extra bonus product. So 4 products here to look at. Appreciate you watching. Links are below if you're interested in checking these guys out. Check out Meguiars.com for all your interior and exterior needs. They are a complete line company. They've got it all. So hit them up, local parts stores or on Amazon. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Subscribe if you are new here for more product reviews and Palace stuff. Anything going on, got the Trailblazer here. And we'll see you next time. Have a good one.